Apple in September 2022 released the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 and 14 Pro models, but we've been hearing rumors about the iPhone 15 since well before the latest iPhones became available for purchase. The iPhone 15 is still several months away, but it's hard for Apple to keep secrets about the iPhone lineup because there are so many different suppliers involved, some of whom end up leaking information. We are expecting a total of 4 iPhone 15 models in the same sizes as the iPhone 14 models, including 2 6.1-inch iPhones and 2 6.7-inch iPhones. One of the 6.1-inch iPhones will be the standard iPhone 15, while one of the 6.7-inch models will be an iPhone 15 Plus. The other 6.1 and 6.7-inch iPhones will be higher-end and more expensive Pro models. As with the iPhone 14 lineup, the best features will be reserved for the iPhone 15 Pro models to make the extra cost worth it. Rumors so far suggest we can expect a USB-C port instead of a Lightning port on all of the iPhone 15 models, and the Dynamic Island is going to be available for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, in addition to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. That means Apple will be doing away with the notch that it has used since the iPhone X for the flagship iPhone lineup. Apple plans to use Qualcomm modem chips for the new devices as its own modem chips that are in development aren't quite ready. The standard iPhone 15 models will get an upgrade to the A16 chip that was in the iPhone 14 Pro models, while the iPhone 15 Pro models will use faster and more efficient 3nm A17 chips. Pro models could see an upgrade to titanium frames and some minor design changes with more curved device edges, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is also expected to get periscope lens technology for enhanced zoom capabilities.